Welcome to our Halloween decor ideas. If you're looking to add a touch of rustic charm and spookiness to your home this season, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore creative ways to use branches and twigs to create beautiful Halloween decorations. These natural elements can transform your space, giving it that eerie yet inviting vibe perfect for Halloween. Let's dive into some fantastic ideas. Black twig wreath. Start your Halloween decor with a simple and last-minute black twig wreath. This easy DIY project adds a touch of spooky charm to your front door. Bold Halloween wreath. Create a bold Halloween wreath using twigs, black bats, dried leaves, and balloons for a striking centerpiece. Neutral Halloween mantle. Style your mantle with a neutral theme featuring feathers, white pumpkins, pillar candles, wheat, and a driftwood wreath adorned with spider webs and bats for a cozy autumn feel. Simple black branch wreath. Another easy project is a simple black branch wreath that can be made in no time. It's a cool addition to your Halloween decorations. Halloween tree with bats. Create a Halloween tree using branches decorated with black paper bats. Surround the tree with pumpkins for an eye-catching display. Branch arrangement. Craft a unique Halloween arrangement using branches with berries and black leaves. This versatile decoration can suit various styles. Eyeball ornament tree. For a bold centerpiece, use a tree of branches decorated with black and gold eyeball ornaments. It's sure to be a conversation starter. Rustic centerpiece. Use a basket to hold white pumpkins alongside branches and paper bats for a rustic Halloween centerpiece that's easy to assemble. Pretty black branch decor. Arrange black branches and paper bats to create a pretty decoration. This simple idea can be easily replicated in your own home. Ghostly Halloween tree. Style a tree with branches, ghosts, and bats as ornaments for a lovely centerpiece or a fun Halloween decoration. Moss and blackbirds tree. Decorate a Halloween tree with black branches, moss, and blackbirds, and add a cloche with skulls and orange candles for a spooky touch. Simple candle centerpiece. A large black branch paired with a pillar candle in the center makes for a simple yet elegant Halloween centerpiece. Photo and blackbird tree. Compose a Halloween tree using branches, photographs, blackbirds, spiders, and small pumpkins for a whimsical display. Rustic tablescape. Create a rustic Halloween tablescape featuring rust candles, blackbirds on black branches, dried leaves, and played pumpkins for a warm autumn ambience. fresh pumpkin display. Use fresh pumpkins along with hay, black branches, blackbirds, and tall candles for a beautiful rustic centerpiece. Spectacular centerpiece. Combine a vase with manzanita branches, spider webs, and various ornaments for a spectacular centerpiece that catches the eye. Spiders and Bats Tree. Create a Halloween tree of black branches decorated with spiders and bats, surrounded by pumpkins and berries for a complete look. Console arrangement. Style your console table with orange pumpkins, a snowball, a candelabra, black twigs, spider webs, and small spiders for an inviting display. Lovely last-minute centerpiece. A lovely last-minute idea is to compose a centerpiece with a black branch and tall, thin candles for an elegant touch. Mantle styling. Style your Halloween mantle with blackbirds, black branches in burlap, bottles, small pumpkins, and vintage books for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Thanks for joining us today to explore these creative branch and twig Halloween decor ideas. Whether you're going for spooky or rustic, these decorations will surely enhance your home's Halloween spirit. Remember, using natural elements like branches and twigs not only adds charm, but also helps you connect with nature. Happy decorating and enjoy the festivities!